Time to say goodnight. Close your eyes. Lay down on the bed. Kalia, are you tired?
No.
You're not tired?
No.
You're not tired? You're silly. You put it on your nose. Put on your eye. See if you can see. You're silly. You put on your head? Is that where you have awi? Ka awi nga te. Hmm? Oh no, you playing your hair? Mm. You're so silly. Yeah, bifay. Where's the Tatay? Tatay at home?
Mommy.
Where's Kalia? Where are you?